Today we're talking about bullying, and bullying is a real issue that we have to address. In about a 3-month period, do you know that 25% of 4th through 6th graders reported being bullied? And according to the National Institute of Child Health and Human Development, they identified over 3 million bullies in America. And fully one-third of all teenagers say that they have been mean to someone on the internet. And that's bullying. Well, about 43% of all high school students say they avoid using bathrooms or going to certain places in schools because they felt threatened. By age 24, 60% of all people who've identified as bullies have an actual criminal conviction. And lastly, according to the National School Safety Center, 50% of students in grades 6 through 12 knew someone who actually moved or changed schools because they felt unsafe and harassed. This is a real issue.